In this video, I will guide you how you can connect Phantom Wallet to DEXScreener. So start by opening up your Phantom Wallet, and what you need to do is to simply click on the browser on the bottom right and simply search for DEXScreener. Once you search for this, simply go for the first one, and as you can see, the DEXScreener is now open and you can see all the stats right in here. If you want to search for a specific coin, you can simply click on it and you can now search for it. You would also have the explore option on the top right corner, which you can see your portfolio, gainers and loss. You have all the coins that are available right in this place. If you want to sign in, simply click on the sign in button and you're just going to need to sign in with your account. So if you want to connect your wallet, you just need to click on this connect wallet. And right now you don't have the Phantom wallet, so you just click on any one of these and click on the connect button. So that's the way of how you can connect your Phantom wallet to DEXScreener.